Hello everybody, once again here with another repair. I got 6.4. It is a 2008 Ford F250. I got coats for a Misfire, and as you guys can see here, and that and that, those three things are notorious to have a bat that goes bad or they break. And what happens is, with these little plastic retainers that holds the rocker arms in place, they tended to break and the rocker arm start playing, or it's got too much play. So those little things, the yellow things right there, are the ones that break all the time. That and that. Those things are in both sides. So this thing breaks. This is, by the way, this is from the other side. I checked the other side. I replaced those plastic things. I didn't find anything. But on this side, this thing is bad. So as you guys can see, it's chewed up right here. There's a check ball in there. So this thing works like this. So right here is the push rods, which sometimes they tended to bend, and you got to replace it. So I'm already prepared for those, but I didn't have my rocker arms today, so but I have this parts ready to go. So here is the part number. And you will see it's like a yellowish, goldish color. On the bottom is more like silver. So this part goes on the top, and when you install it, make sure you put oil in there. Lube it up with oil. And what I was saying is, this vehicle came with the Misfire big time, and right here it's got some damage, so I'm replacing with the new ones. So right here is one of those parts. I don't remember how they're called. It looks like a little bridge. It's exactly the same like the one I just showed you or mention it. So it's the same. So this thing goes on top of the valves and push the valve springs. So that's the purpose. So as you guys can see here, that one right there is missing. Right there by my fingernail. So I'm gonna use the screwdriver. If I found the tip. Okay, there it is. So that thing pushes right there and right here. So just like that one right here. And the check ball, because they broke, check ball is on the bottom. Good thing those things stays there, but I didn't found the other pieces. The broke is probably right next to it. So everything went smooth except for one of the hoses, because those hoses, they get brittle if you're not careful, or they're just ready to go, it will break, which is right here. So that one I had to order from Ford. That's about 60 bucks, a couple days out. But if you got a Misfire and doesn't want to go away, because sometimes it's the fuel injectors, take it apart, but most likely it's gonna be those retainers. They come apart and the rocker arm came out, or the rocker arm is broke, or whatever, you know. So the big parts. Individual parts like that, they're about 80 bucks a piece. And I just found for another dealer from Ford that will sell me the whole set for about 500 bucks. So if you got that kind of money and you don't want to deal with it anymore, just replace the whole set at once. All you got to do is just remove the fuel lines and disconnect these fuel injectors. And I'm going to show you with this push pin remover. All you have to do, you don't have to get the special tool like the one they say that you need, because I think they're kind of expensive. All you have to do is just grab it right here and push it just like that. See, it went, and I push it, it's in. Now I'm going to show you one more time. Just squeeze it a little bit there and just pull it straight. Okay, I'm gonna grab the other one. Done. Just like that. Yep. So there you have it. You don't have to have that special tool like the one that were mentioned in another videos. Just be careful. I customized these pliers. I filed down a little bit so they got better grip. So just be careful when you're working on these vehicles, because if you lose anything, that will go on the engine, on the bottom of the engine, and they can get damaged. So make sure you clean it before you blow it, before you take it apart. And one thing I'm going to mention to you is when you remove the injector control module, there's going to be this insulation cover. They will have I believe like 4 little clips that holds that thing. They're a pain in the neck, especially the one in the back, because you can't see it. So just cut them off with the small cutters, because you're not going to be able to reuse it, and just put in new ones and go from there. So on this particular engine, because they already know they will have a problem with these keepers. Good thing that keeper went all the way to the floor. Yeah, those things I replaced it, the whole set on the other side, and put in new seals and all that, the injector harness too. So just be careful, don't break anything else that need to be done, and go from there. And make sure everything is tight. And if you remove the rocket arms holder, is 45 pounds of pressure with the torque wrench. Make sure it's nice and tight, and snug the fuel lines, and bleed it, and that's it. All right, I see you guys later, and hopefully this video educate a little bit. If you're a professional, this video is not for you. So this is for people they want to learn, because you already know. All right, well, see you guys next time. Bye.